Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. All right, so this is Jasmy, and is Jasmy good to trade? I just want to see what kind of risk this is gonna be. That's gonna be like nearly 2.78%. Now Jasmy, as far as I remember, in yesterday's update we have Jasmy, and I need to confirm Jasmy pattern on the daily time frame. It would be better to confirm on the daily, but it looks like on the 4-hour time frame we're getting a successful retest. So I told you about it. Okay, so one rejection right there, second rejection right here, another rejection right there, break to the upside, bullish closing. You want to come down for the retest, and that was all about. I talked about in yesterday's update, and we were trading above here at 57 or something, and now we're down to 54, right? So at the moment, this is the moment of truth. Are you actually going to back test? Because that's an amazing trade if you actually back test, because you're looking for a 40% or 35% move to the upside, considering that this is your pattern. You take the top here to the bottom, and that could actually take you all the way from there to there, and you could be looking for Jasmy to make move up to 75, and that's actually going to be another level of massive rejection here. But if you actually even do something like this, get bullish, try to break it out, and then move up like this, you could even actually just make the bottom right over there. But I'm not really in the favor of bullish scenario, unless right now there's a little bit of a hope, because on the 4-hour time frame we are trying to make a little bit of a positive structure right now. But unfortunately what I do see is this is where you're bouncing off the support level. That was your support, but unfortunately you went below the support, and you can see you're trying to close below the support line. Just look at that support line. It's very confusing. I don't think it's a trade that I want to take. Because if I show you this trend line right here, this is a trend line, just small trend line right there, and someone can even say that this is a bear flag at the moment, and it's important to go above 55.28. okay, so if you try to see Jasmy making a move to the upside and go above 56, then that means this retest was successful. In my opinion, that's going to be a successful retest, because right now you are below that support line on the 4-hour time frame, and you're potentially making a little bit of a flag here. And if you talk about that flag, then you're looking for the technical target to go from there to there. This is where you're breaking out of it, so you're gonna come down to nearly 4942, and that's gonna be a drop from 54 to 49, maybe a shorting opportunity. 8.68, yeah. So 8.68 drop is what you're looking for Jasmy at the moment. Now this bear flag can be more clear if we try to check it out on the 1-hour time frame. Yep, on the one, you can see on the 1-hour time frame, that's your support right there, and you try to move up, make a false move, and then you went down, and then you try to move up again, and you can already see that you are probably getting rejected. So I do expect Jasmy to actually come down to 4953 if you're not going to go above 5623. This is where you want to see Jasmy go above to continue higher. And that's pretty much it for this update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.